Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Numero eSIM app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to install the app, first I'll uninstall it, and to get started go to Google Play Store if you are on Android like me, or App Store app if you're on iPhone. So I'll tap on Play Store, and from Play Store search for your app by name and then run your search, and here is your app. Tap on it to open. Now to know if it is the right app, make sure it is from Smart Electech SL, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 137,000 reviews, and at the moment this app has been downloaded over 10 million times. So by the time you are watching this data might have changed. To get the app, now tap on install. This will download the latest version of Numero eSIM app, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps. So let me go back. Now look, we have our app here. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming logo. Now you can set up your eSIM and start using the app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.